And hello! This is our first day ng pasyal. Kasi kahapang pahinga lang talaga. Ayan si Turtle, so pogi. Parang pogi, maham. Ay, ang pogi! Yan ang baby ko. And here I am. Dito. Check kami ngayon. Paalis pala ng hotel kasi pahinga kami. And then nag-breakfast before pasyal. So where are you going?
I'm going to the monkey.
Monkeys! You will see monkeys. Sige, let's see monkeys. We're just waiting for daddy. Nasa room po siya. Ito ang kanyang naming room.
It's 409.
It's 409.
Look at something.
Oh, bakit dito ka na?
This room.
Yeah, that's the other room. This is only our room. Other visitors room. No, we're not allowed to go inside. Dito lang. Can you move your foot backwards? That's it. Okay. So that you'll not get tired easily. Later kasi we'll use stairs. Okay? Okay. Let's go. So kaya to, alam mo na dad. Oh, it's so lamig, Lord. Naramdaman niya yung coldness? It's cold here, sabi ko sa'yo anak eh. You cannot wear shorts here, di ba? Only pants. Yeah. Going to Kyoto Station. Babay muna tayo ng Icoca.
Dito tayo.
Saan? Hindi. Akyat? Tatawid pa tayo, di ba?
Hindi.
Oo.
Ano?
Sun Station. Waiting for the train. We are waiting for the train. Going to Arashiyama. Hindi kasi naglakad-lakad tayo. 12 minutes pa mahang ha.
No, not 12 minutes.
The train, for the train. At least pagsakay natin, ano lang, 7 stops lang, nandun na. Yun na yun. Ha? Saan? Okay, now we're going to the monkey forest. Monkey forest ba? Ayan si Trent. Ayan si Daddy. Diretso lang. Stores. Ganda. Beautiful. Daddy, tabi tayo dito. Dito tayo picture. Dito hindi against the light, diba? O, green pa. Yan, dito.
Banyak betul tu, ya udah bunyi.
Nah, tayo pwesto dati mapipicturan. Dito, pipicture.
Dito na?
Oo.
Itu ada berada.
Yan, sa isang gilid. Yung mini day.
Start like 3 years ago.
Ganda. Now you put the
A lot of honey.
no, it's 150.
150.
You put first this. Yan. And then more. 5 of that. Ayan o, 100 na siya. 110. Oh. 4 more. 20. Tignan mo, pag nag-150 na yan, you stop na. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's 150 now. Don't press anything. You just press this, the one you want. You just press it. Very good. Oh, get it, get it. Get it there. You open it. Yan. Sige na. You get. Okay, let's go na. Good job.
Daddy, I got it.
Now we're buying here takoyaki. Ha? Let's go, anak.
Ay, muya.
Let's wait, Daddy. Baka gumulong dyan dito ka sa other side kasi magulong daw your drink.
You open.
You hold the camera. Oh, yung camera, you did yours. Titikman ko muna lang. Baka mamaya may lasang alat pa to.
Hey, stop drinking.
I just think kung pwede sa'yo.
Don't.
It's yummy. Diyan, dito. Ay, baka gumulong ka dyan, mahang.
I see it.
Here. Here.
Here?
Yeah. Middle. Diba? Ang gulo ng video ko.
What is that?
Yan, dapat pupunta kami sa Monkey Park. Nagpahinga muna kami. Nakita namin medyo mataas ang aakyat. Papunta sa Monkey Park. Nagpapahinga muna. And drinking si Trent. Eating takoyaki si Daddy. So ito, may mga nag-ride dyan ng boat. Over there. Magkano kaya yung boat? Mag-boat na lang tayo. Huwag na tayo mag-monkey.
Mami,
Pero gusto tayo pumunta sa monkey.
sakit. Gini.
Akit pala to, Daddy. Kaya? Or ano? Huwag tayo sa hagdan. Dandahan, dandahan. Slow lang. Akyatan pala to, girl. Daddy, ayoko na. Salitan tayo.
You go by yourself.
So, yun na nga.
No,
Ang lahaba ng inakita namin. Punta kaming Monkey Park. Super taas pala siya. Ang taas lang ang hagdanin. Hindi pwede lang mag-back out. Papahinga kami. Ito pa, yung maakitin.
I don't like internet. I don't like internet.
Eh, paano kung matumba ka si Mami Daddy?
We roll down.
You will carry us? Ha? So yan, grabe ang taas ng inakit namin. Before makapunta sa Monkey Park, doon pa. So nagpapahinga muna kami dito. Playground muna si Trent. And I'm here sitting down because grabe yung akyat. Wala akong exercise, ang bilis mapagod. Hold tight. Oo nga, no, slide. Ang haba. It's so long. Doon na yung monkey, anak ko. Malapit na. Sige, yung lang, ano dyan. Sige na. Climb. Put your feet on the air. You gotta run up. 2 feet. Both. You carry yourself like that. Yan. Almost. Yan, diba? That's how it works. This one is short for you.
What the heck?
Daddy, another thing.
Si Monkey anak. Don't be scared. Dito ka. Ha? Dito ka. Ay, dati. Out of balance ako anak. Don't sit, don't sit, don't sit.
Nothing, okay?
Oh, don't be scared. Don't sit on me kasi not out of balance. Ayan na siya, anak. Maybe there's a binocular there. Let's see it later, ha? Yeah. Ang ganda rin ng view.
Mommy.
Nice view.
Thank you.
Ha? Wag na, ayoko na ha. Ganda. Pabalik na kami. Galing na kami sa Monkey Park na grabe. Hiking. Pabalik kami. Hanap kami ng kakainan. Yeah. Baka matapon. Lahat. Dito daddy. Tingnan natin.
Dito tayo.
Tingnan natin. Baka may kainan. Hahanap kami ng kainan.
Nainggit ako.
Eh, dati mamaya mag-ice cream tayo. Ha? Daddy, gusto ko. Ito, para kainan to, daddy. Yan, nahanap tayo ng kainan.
Oh!
Ubus na.
Hindi ka. Huwag ka magkita. Sabi rin. Sabi tayo, may dadaanan to.
Saan tayo?
They will take you to jail. You want to go to jail?
Yung medyas mo dati na.
I want noodles.
You want yung sabaw? Masarap pa yung sabaw. Mag-ubus ako. You want, look at the noodles, it's color brown. Is it okay with you? Ha? Is it okay with you, the brown? Do you want to taste the sabaw first so that you see if you like that taste? Hot? You like the taste? No. Sige, chicken ka na.
Can I have some chopsticks?
Sige, chopstick na and then I'll feed you using the spoon, okay?
I want chopsticks for the noodles.
Eh, sabi mo you don't like the taste.
No.
That's the taste of the noodles. That's why I let you taste it first before you. Or maybe after you eat
No, maybe not. I will like it. Glass. A glass.
Oh, you make a glass.
Chopsticks. Look. No, don't please feed me.
Actually, I'm looking at this.
I said X.
X means no. How about Y means yes? Can you make a Y?
Only plus.
How about letter V? Can you
Look.
make letter V? How about letter L?
A.
And then like this one.
Look.
What else? Letter I.
Look. After that, and then after that, J.
How about J?
That's V.
I can do J.
What else pa kaya? N.
I can make letter N.
What else do you think you can make with the 2 chopsticks?
T.
Yeah, that's a nice idea.
Where?
T for
Thread. Mommy.
Very good. X.
I can do I can
How about Z? Can you make letter Z for zebra?
no.
Ang sarap ng gusto ko nga sa sabihin sa lalaki doon tayo sa kabila. Tingnan mo yung nakaupo sa side. Gusto ko kasi matry yun. Ito, yun.
Look, may 7.
Galing ka pati, baby. How about number 1? How about number 2?
No other.
How about number 4? Cannot also, what number? Only 7. Number 11.
Okay, look.
Oh, very good.
Okay, that and then
Letter K.
I can make look.
Kulang? Is it kulang? Okay.
Why it look like Y?
Lower voice na.
It look like small.
So, copy mom's voice. Lower. Look like mine. It's like your... Ano ba yung bulong? Whispering.
Also, yo-yo.
Yo-yo. You whisper yung whisper. Whisper.
I look like the horse.
Oh, sige. Basta, ano lang. Lower the volume.
Mama.
Ha? Tutusin niya, di ba siya?
How about out? How about?
Parang
What
may
ah?
super rough.
How about
Ano bang paggawa mo nga sa kanya? Kahit kasi sa chopstick.
How about letter X? How about letter A?
I almost A.
Almost A, yeah.
After that and then
How about letter L? How about small letter R?
It's
R.
a new.
Like that. How about letter N?
No, I can't.
I can.
Let's go.
Oh, letter N.
Let's see.
T. What? You do the T.
It's a sliding line.
How about letter F? F.
Here, the wow! How about letter V?
V.
Ako.
How about letter Y?
Or V?
Y.
Lami! How about? I can't.
Can? How about, can you do a triangle?
Okay, and then make the sleeping line. Make the sleeping line.
Ano to?
Have a square. Oh no, missing part. Missing part, Daddy.
What are you doing?
Square. Mommy, Daddy, I have no more chopsticks. No more.
Try natin makapunta pa sa bangko.
7, 8, 9, 10.
Unto ka man.
Just the outside.
Daddy, we can make a pencil.
Okay na siya. Baka mag-play.
Daddy, how about letter? Can we make a letter? Can you make a letter? A letter?
A letter? What letter?
Ito na lang.
Then I can make number 1.
Yeah. Number.
Lower the volume.
Mommy, look.
Wow, that's perfect.
1. I can do 1. Plus. Yes, sir. You get gums. No, you get gums. That means
Upo natin.
gums. X means you get gums. The plus said you get gums.
Gusto ka po sa ganito. Gusto mo pa ba mag-play ng IC? Si RAA.
Dessert yun eh. Dessert?
Siguro nga. Gusto ko yung match.
Ay, mga to. Kasi sila.
Sila mga
Around the shore, the sea around one day the time is on the la 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 no. Shoot the little operator.
Okay, bye-bye, bird.
No.
Eating ice cream in the middle of coldness. Mas mura nga yun kay Trent eh. 230 yen. Hindi yung... Ayan sa atin man, 400. Masarap pa, Daddy? Masarap. Yan, doon namin binili. Oh, yung ice cream doon namin binili. Oh. Dito ka sa beside mami.
This one is chocolate?
It's like a biscuit. It's not a chocolate. Sige na yung kagat. It's like apa. Cone. Like a cone. What's your ice cream? Nice na ni Daddy. You like it?
Hello guys, we have ice cream. This is so cool. You can drink it. Ninang Jen and Ninang Jen. Ninang Ranchi and Madonna.
Madonna. Ba't pala sila binanggit mo, anak?
Because this is very, very so cold. Don't forget that.
Okay.
I will give you some later.
Wow, boy, naman you will share to them.
Yeah. Maybe other ice cream. Look, ice cream freezer.
Ice cream freezer. Ano tawag nga dyan, Daddy, sa mga ganun? Yung sa mga bendo, no? Ice cream vendo.
Ice cream vendo is ice cream vendo.
Vending machine.
Vending machine.
Hindi masarap to. Yung apa. Ito yung pansandok. No?
Kinain ko na kagad eh.
Baby lang, magdudun na yung gamit mo. It's okay.
Paano ba labahan yan?
Ha?
Paano ba labahan yan?
Washing.
Cut mo sa atin?
Maybe I use the blue na lang.
Tomorrow. Pwede
How
naman.
now? How now?
Pwede ang ganun dito. Harun. Tumutulo rin sa akin. Ang laki kasi, no? Say bye-bye.
No.
Say bye-bye.
No.
Later again, guys.
No.
We don't want to say bye-bye.
I'm gonna say hello guys only.
After that, you drink lots of water, ha?
Daddy. But why are you looking at the sky? Why are you looking at the sky so sunny?
No, I'm looking for the trash can. Meron po may ice cream.
Daddy, the trash can's over there.
Yeah, I see it.
Baby, natikit sa damit mo.
Da?
Dumitikit sa damit mo yung ice cream.
Let's open again.
Google Map. Pupunta tayo na... Ay, hindi. Hanapin muna natin, Daddy, ano. Ako malapit na dito. Yun yung... Salundero yan.
Yung?
Yung bilya ng pekan.
Daddy, you forgot to eat the.
Ayun, 6
You
minutes walk
forgot
lang.
to eat the
Doon muna tayo ng
biscuit.
6 minutes walk lang.
Mommy,
I already
Daddy,
ate it.
Daddy, you forgot to eat the
Diretso lang.
biscuit.
It's okay. I already ate it.
Diretso lang ng Katsura
Ubus
Rio.
na.
Ice cream.
Mahirap. Mahirap to.
Hey, Daddy.
I'm opening it tomorrow.
Ganto-ganto lang talaga tayo nagpahinga. Tapos, pero okay na din na. Tapos nakapasyal pa siya.
Hey, hurry up.
What's that?
Trash.
Nasa likod mo kanina yung babae na lalaki. Yung nag-video sabi niya, hello guys. Yung sabi, tutuwa. Parang tutuwa yung
Ano ba yung nandito kanina? Sa matanda niya o?
parang ano, mga teens or early 20s or pag ako gusto ko mag-business ng vending machine, ice cream. Di ba? Tapos sa ano ko ilalagay? Sa mga school office, no? Paano ka na mag-business ng vending? Dito tayo lakad dati para makapicture tayo.
Pero pwede lang daan, di ba? Ay, hindi.
Ay, hindi na.
Dito yung, ano eh, yung simula ng tulay. Yung gano'n.
Wala ba doon? Hindi, labas doon. Hindi ba? Iba yun?
Parang ba yan?
Okay, dito na. Picture lang tayo sa vlog.
Sige, pwede daan na lang tayo.
Then what are you talking about?
I'm talking about we're going there together so that we can picture.
A beautiful picture with a beautiful background.
How is that around there?
Yeah. My baby. My baby. It's Rora. Babi alcohol. Kasi matapos. Ang lamig na ng alcohol.
Nasa malamig tayo. Ito naman.
Kung ganyan ka lang, good boy, I help. It might get tapon. So, paano?
Oh,
Why? Sakit na ng kamay mo sa lamig. Ang lamig na, oh. You want your, your gloves?
Tatapon. Like this also.
daw.
Ano yun? Ba't may kasamang tissue kasi?
Ay, sinalo ko kasi ng tissue. Sinalo ko ng tissue. Tissue. So funny.
Eat the tissue.
No.
So funny.
Daddy did not eat the tissue.
Kung natin yung tissue natin.
Give it to Daddy.
No, Daddy will not eat the tissue. Kawawa naman si Daddy. Pag mag-eat ng tissue. Kailangan pa inumin natin ng tissue.
Daddy, I eat it.
Good job.
You drink water ha? I'll get your water.
Pinanasa mo na yung kamay niyan.
Nasa mo ito.
Trent, let's wash your hands.
Daddy, the mommy water.
Mommy will just get the stroller.
No, the water.
Yeah, the water. In the stroller. It's in your stroller.
That's not our stroller.
No, it's not our stroller.
Just kidding. Mama, are you eating the my daddy's eating the tissue? Mommy, Daddy.
Yeah.
Mommy let you eat the tissue?
No.
Daddy?
Don't do that. Anak, nagagalit sila.
I like the rock away. Put the rock. This is my rubber shoes. Look, the 7 days. Number 10.
Yeah.
No!
Ay, dati. Diretso pa. Huh? Going inside Tenryuji Temple. Tenryuji Temple. Tenryuji Temple. This is a very nice place. Gusto ko lang makita yung parang garden na yun, Daddy. Yun o garden. Ah, diretso mo. The garden. Ay, oo nga, no. Doon sa kabilang side. Kalika. Mabato. O, diretso na lang. Baka meron pa doon daan. Hindi ba natin madadaanan yun pag dito tayo dumaan? Diyan o sa may parking. Ano ba ito? Ano ko? Nag-ano pa rin. Nag-navigate pa din siya. Lobat na nga siya. Yung isa kong cellphone. Ha?
Ang pamilya kailangan bang...
Doon lang tayo dati sa garden. Diretso. This is the Tenryuji Garden. The best. Ayaw mo, Daddy. Doon tayo ng picture pa ano.
Ay.
This beautiful place.
Ate si Ryan.
Oh, my soul. There.
Wag mo ganun bato anak kasi baka matamaan tayo. Look at the fish, look at the fish. Look at the fish, anak.
Mommy, I want the fish to go out this.
Hindi na kaya. Mag-swim lang sila dyan.
So geeky. So geeky. Hop! Hop. Yeah!
Ay, no. Puchi, puchi. Video lang. Video. Naglalakad. Video na naglalakad. Kasama ko. That's the way. That's the bell. That's the big bell. Oh. Going back home. I mean, going back sa hotel na kami. Or maybe we can go pa sa Kyoto
We're
Tower.
going back home to the hotel.
Yeah, you want to go pa sa Kyoto Tower Hotel? Ay, sa Kyoto, isa binocular? Okay, if you want, we can go there. But if you don't want na, we go back hotel. Okay? Okay? Okay. Kaya ka, don't you hold mommy lang daw sa amin ng bed.
That sounds always.
The good boy. Alam ko na para hindi mahubad. Anak, de garere. Hold mommy like this. Yan. It will not get bad.
Mama, I went back to the hotel. Mama, where's the sound?
The sound of a big, big bell. Oh, that's why it's so lakas.
Hello guys, now we are going back to the hotel.
See you at the hotel.
See you at the hotel.
Now we're here.
Boys,
Huh?
girls and boys.
Yes. We're now going back to Kyoto. So dito pa kami sa platform 1 and 2. There. We're waiting for Daddy. Nandito siya sa restroom. Here it is. Strawberry. Daddy, mag-elevator tayo, no? Ay! Okay, we're back in Kyoto. Gusto daw ni Trent magtingin sa binocular. So, punta kami sa Kyoto Tower Observation Deck. And good thing, malapit siya sa hotel. So, puntahan na namin before bumalik ng hotel. See ya!
展望室からは清水寺、東寺など歴史ある場所はもちろん、ここでしか見ることができない360度パノラマ展望をお楽しみいただけます。望遠鏡は無料で使用できます。京都の街の移りゆく景色をごゆっくりお楽しみください。ほな、おおきに。
Ano nakikita, Daddy? Ano nakikita, mamahang? Ako nga, patry. What do you see? You stamp it hard. Wow! You like it?
Tower.
A tower. You see? Kyoto Tower. Now, you bring this. I'm gonna make my own.
And then I push for you.
Okay, thank you, love. And then you make one for Daddy also, ha? Hard, so that you see. Wow! One for Daddy. Thank you. Wow!
Daddy, here.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Mommy. Wow.
Wow!
Daddy, wow, it's a beautiful egg.
Wow!
Wow, so nice and cool.
Beautiful. beautiful egg.